teaching you the trick called the sloppy trick. It's one of the first tricks I learned. It's very easy, for beginners. It's a very beginner type trick. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the performance. That was a trick, and I'll see you guys in the tutorial. Alright, so for this trick, you can have a totally shuffled deck of cards. It does not matter. You can spectator shuffle them. You can shuffle them. It does not matter. So once they're all shuffled, have your spectators select a card. It does not matter what card. So they select a card. For this purposes, we'll say it's the Jack of Spades. Alright, so they select the Jack. Put it in the middle. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to push down on the card. See how it creates that natural break? And then just slide your pinky in there for a pinky break. Once again, take your Jack, slide it in, push while pushing down, and get that break. So there's one of two ways that or a million ways that you can control this card to the top. You can just simply cut it, but that looks kind of awkward, and you don't really do that. You can do a Herman pass, just like that. Control it back to the top. Or you could do just cut portions of the deck down on the table, get it to the top. I will teach you how to do that real quickly. Alright, so you get your break. So then you put one half down, two halves down, then put the whole thing on the breakdown. So it just looks like you're giving the cards a few cuts, just like that. So once it's on the top, you can do as many false shuffles, just keep it on the top. It doesn't matter. You can do as many false shuffles as you want. Do a few false cuts, fancy false cuts, but it doesn't matter because it's still on the top. So once it's still on the top, you go through and you push off a few cards, flip over your wrist, push off a few more, flip back over your wrist, push off a few more. Do the same thing throughout the whole deck, and I'll show you what this does after I get through it. Just keep flipping over your wrist. Act like you're mixing all these cards up. So once you get to their card, the top card, all you do is flip it over, put it back right on top, and act like nonchalant about it. So then you show that there's some face up and face down cards, some face down and face up cards, and some face up and face up cards. But what you really did in all reality with the sloppy shuffle is one half was face down and one half is face up. So when you go through, you show that half face down, or face up, that has face down. This half is face up and this half is face down. And then you cut to the middle, there should be a natural break right about there. And they're both face up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the right side, that's face up, and you're just going to slide it right there. Just act like you're putting it back. What that does is takes all the cards except their card and puts them face back. So then you tell them, you're imagining that these cards are all coming back together. They're all coming right back together into place except your card. So imagine that and it'll happen. And then you snap your fingers. You can spread them out and reveal that there's one face down card in the deck. And that is their card, the Jack of Spades. I'll run that by with you guys again, and Alright, so now we'll pick a different card. Let's do that one right there. So we got the 8 of diamonds. So we're going to take the 8, put it in the deck, control it to the top whatever way you want. Just use your Herman pass right there. So, now, once you got your 8 on the top, you do the sloppy shuffle. Once again, take off like 5 or 6 cards, flip over 5 or 6 cards, flip over 5 or 6 cards, flip over 5 or 6 cards, flip over. Just keep doing that until you get through the whole deck. And what that does is puts half the cards face up and half the cards face down. So as you can see right here, half the cards are face up and half the cards are face down. So now you cut to the bottom half, say this is face up and this is face down. These cards are face down, these cards are face up. After you cut to the top half, then cut to the middle. You might not always get it right the first time. I'm not even getting it right now. So you got face up and face up right here. So these are all mixed up. Now, put them back together, right? Snap your fingers, spread them out again. Doesn't matter what way you spread them out. But then you reveal that there's one card face up into the deck. And that is their card, the 8 of diamonds. That's the trick. Hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, what's up? For this trick I was using the Chris Ramsey cards. These cards are very nice. I like the feel of them and the faces are absolutely beautiful. Just look at it. Here's the box. It's a nice skull on it. It has that. And then this card really interests me. I wonder if I can get these. It says I can get them at murphysmagic.com. That's who these cards were. Designed by Chris Ramsey. Designed them, but these company produced them. So I like these cards. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be about a double lift. I'll probably do a double lift tutorial in the next video for everybody that doesn't know how to do a double lift. So, peace out.